Question number 1. Which of the following is helpful to prevent search engine from reading HTML source files and web pages of a website? Web blocker, Matcut screen, HTML meta tag, or the cloud? Question 2. With Pioneer account, you can dash and dash funds, withdraw and transfer, buy and sell, store and earn, or manage and multiply. So with Pioneer account, you can withdraw and transfer funds. Question 3. EasyPaisa solution is dash payment solution that enables internet users to make a financial transaction online. Bank payment solution or manual, electronic or cash? So EasyPaisa is an electronic payment solution to manage financial transaction online. Question 4. Search engines have a software that is called WebDash. It is responsible for finding information that is publicly available on the internet, scraper, crawler, machines or linkers. So search engines have crawler. It's called web crawlers, which is responsible for finding information. Question 5. All web pages are enclosed in a specific tag: title, body, H1 or HTML. Question number 6. HBL IPG's transaction fee is dash than EasyPaisa and JazzCash, more, less, equal or free? Question number 7. Dash helps clients to directly transfer amount into vendor account, bank account, credit card, payment gateway or API. Question number 8. Page ranking algorithm is used by search engines to determine which page is well designed, determine which page is nearest, determine which page is most relevant, or which page is fastest. To determine which page is most relevant, a successful pizza website in Pakistan must have a keyword dash in its web contents: best pizza in Pakistan, Pizza Palace, Restaurant Pakistan, or click here. So a successful pizza website must have a keyword which is best pizza in Pakistan. Question 10. One reason for PayPal unavailability in Pakistan is law and order, load shedding, low literacy rate, or lesser online shopping trend. Law and order.